EVOSparks Diecast. Proudly presents series. MotoGP Ducati Andrea Dovizioso. Dovizioso joined Ducati back in 2013, and was an instrumental part in bringing it back to the front of the field. Winning 13 races between 2016 and 2020. And finishing runner-up in the championship for the past 3 seasons. "2019 ended with 2 epic victories, and 9 podiums overall for Andrea Dovizioso, who equaled his highest ever point total in MotoGP, 269 points, finishing as runner-up for the 3rd consecutive year behind Marc Marquez. At the age of 33, Dovizioso is determined to fight for the championship title again, as he begins his 8th season with Ducati. EVOSparks Diecast. Subscribe now. Andrea, born on March 23, 1986 in Forlì, Italy, nurtured an early passion for bikes, as he was given a mini bike by his dad as a gift at the age of 4. Three years later, he started racing, and won national minibike titles in 1997 and 1998. Watch EVOSparks playlist for more cool videos. And remember to subscribe. Andrea then started to move up the ranks, with positive results. In 2000, he took part in the Aprilia Challenge, and he won the title on his debut. Repeating the achievement the following year, this time on the European stage. In the same year, he took part in his first GP, at Mugello, Italy, as a wildcard entry in the 125cc class. The Ducati Desmosedici is a 4-stroke V4 engine racing motorcycle made by Ducati for MotoGP racing. The series nomenclature is GP with a 2-digit year appended, such as Desmosedici GP10 for 2010. In 2006, Ducati made a short production run of 1,500 street legal variants, the Desmosedici RR. The Desmosedici GP16 was unveiled in February 2016. It ran the first 2 preseason tests, with race riders Andrea Dovizioso and Andrea Iannone without a livery. EVOSparks Diecast. Subscribe now. Ducati's MotoGP boss, DG Dall'Igna, describes the 2016 Desmocetisai as an evolution of its recent challengers. The GP16 was still the fastest bike in a straight line with its extra power. The winglets remained from the previous year, albeit now colored, to match the predominantly white and red Desmocetisai. Thank you for watching. Enjoy watching EVOSparks, other diecast videos. EVOSparks Diecast. Subscribe now.